Hey YouTubers, how's it hanging? In today's video, we are going to learn how to make money while surfing the net. Yes, that's simple, that easy. Just surf net and make money. So hang tight. Assalamu alaikum, this is Danish and welcome to my channel Affiliates Dan. Before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you can just smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I release my new video. Okay, now let's get into it. We are going to talk about an app. Yes, an application which is known as QME. Yes, you install this application as an extension into your browser, and well, the thing is, I cannot do it. I cannot demonstrate it myself because I'm in Pakistan, and QME is working in only US and UK at the moment. But they are very confident, and they are promising about. Well, they have made some claims that they will be expanding and including more countries into this their venture of theirs, and hopefully. People who are outside of UK and US, they will be getting some good news very soon. So, but still, I have a way to show this, how this works, and I'm gonna use their marketing videos to let you know what QME is all about. So, here's video number 1.
Looking to earn real cash rewards for sharing your opinion? Join QME. QME is a free app designed with you in mind. When you sign up for QME, you can enjoy no minimum cash out, rewards added in real time, and fun and engaging surveys that fit your profile. Our top-rated app will fit your lifestyle so you can earn real cash on the go. Why share your opinion? It helps your voice be heard, and you can influence the direction of your favorite brands. But that's not all. QME also offers cash rewards for searching and shopping online. Just add the QME app to your browser to start earning while you search on your favorite sites and engage with your favorite brands. Be sure to sign up today so you can start being rewarded for your opinions, your searches, and your purchases. QME. Share, shop, and search to earn real cash.
Alright, so QME is about reviews and cashbacks. That's what happens in QME, and to get into more detail, let me just show you one more video which they have on web store, and I hope this is going to explain a little further what happens with QME.
Who doesn't want to get more when shopping and searching online? Welcome to QME, a more rewarding and useful shopping experience where you can shop, earn, and save. Get cash rewards for searching on your favorite sites and engaging with your favorite brands. Get the best prices on products without having to go to different sites to compare. And get money-saving coupons and deals on the items you are shopping for. You can also earn cash rewards for taking part in surveys. Collect your cash rewards in your QME piggy bank. You can cash out at any time. There's no minimum cash out amount, so you can cash out as little as 10 cents, treat yourself to a gift card, or help a charity. Get paid for just doing what you already do. It all adds up. Get the free tool to shop, earn, and save. QME. It pays to search and shop online.
Alright, now what I've gathered so far from these two videos is that QME helps you earn cashbacks and coupon rewards, while if you look at this page, whenever you search some product in your search bar, not only you get Google results, but you also get QME results on your left hand side. And what happens here, if you click from here, you will get amazing discounts and cashbacks, or maybe even a coupon. But the real money is not here. The money is involved in taking surveys. For every survey, you can earn up to $5 or maybe more. Minimum survey, what I've read online is the reward for that is around $1.5, $1.50. So, and it takes around like about 30 seconds to 1 minute to complete a survey. These are not long surveys. These are very quick and easy surveys, and they pay you through PayPal, and it's hard cash. So I think this is something very eligible for to be called a side hustle, if you may. You can, it's like a side income, some extra cash laying around at the end of the month, So it's not exactly a $1 million scheme. It's not gonna make you quit your job or anything, but it's it's a pretty legit website, and I've read some good reviews about it. So go ahead, install the app if you're in UK and US. Try it out. Leave leave some feedback in the comment section, and let me know how it went. However, as for me, I'm unable to use it. So, well, that's not bad. I mean, I can wait. They will include more countries according to them, so not really a problem here. Okay, so. But if you're not looking for a side hustle, if you want something permanent, something, some kind of passive income opportunity that you're looking for, you wanna establish your own business, your online business, and make money online every week. You make enough that you pay off not only your bills, but also save up for some vacations or something like that. Work while traveling, have a life that you see on Instagram that people are living, that entrepreneur life, which is the big hashtag with Instagram. If you want to do something like that, if you want to get involved in something like that, I would appreciate it if you just check out the links in the description box of this video, and try out the free ebook that I'm promoting at the moment. I'm pretty sure you're gonna reap some benefits from it. So before you, yeah, that's pretty much it. So please hit the like button, leave some comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.